Here is a 60-second summary of international level rainforest management. There are many international agreements in place to protect rainforest resources and biodiversity, such as the 2006 International Tropical Timber Agreement restricting trade in tropical rainforest hardwoods, making it more difficult to sell them and make money from them. We also have the Forest Stewardship Council, which promotes sustainable forestry. There are also debt for nature swaps, which see high-income countries writing off the debt of developing nations to enable them to invest in conservation projects within their own countries. Finally, NGOs such as the World Wildlife Fund and Greenpeace protect ecosystems under threat through education and conservation. For example, they provide practical help to set up conservation programs which help ensure their sustainability.